again, the game is called Read Together. Read it out loud. What's the name of the game? Again, what's the name of the game? Yes, the name of the game is the 8 Spy. Okay, if you see my finger point on the top of the building, that means it's time for you to freeze. Don't move, don't make any sound. Okay? If you see